Hey guys, so the song is my own and I wrote it and stuff, and it's kind of a joke song, like it's not really real, so take it as you will, but it's fun to play, so here goes. There stands he, my tall, tall, beautiful, my God-forsaken proof of something magnificent. Dear, I never ever had a doubt that he would not be there for me. Never ever would he say that he doesn't care. But look at me, I must be seeing wrong. He's in my house, in my room, in my kitchen, and so over you. Holding on, holding on, holding on to my food. Gonna bake up a whole pot of love out of his insides. I'm gonna bake up a whole pot of love and make my pulse rise. Wow, that's not how it goes at all. I'm gonna bake up a whole pot of love out of his insides. I'm gonna bake up a whole pan of love and make my pulse rise. I'm gonna lick my lips and smile and say, that was good, that really hit the spot today. Wipe my tears, not on his shirt, he's too cool, he doesn't wear one, not on his shoulder, he's way too tall. I love his hugs so damn much, but he's so cold, like agriculture in a freezer in Alaska, 10 feet buried underneath all the snow, kind of cold. He's so bold. Never would he say that he doesn't care about me. But look at me, I must be seeing wrong. He's in my house, in my room, in my kitchen, so over you. Holding on, holding on, holding on to my food still. I'm gonna bake up a whole pot of love out of his inside. I'm gonna bake up a whole pan of love and make my pulse rise. Lick my lips and smile and say, that was good, that really hit the spot today. But when you're sad, when you're hot, too warm, and you make my food rot. Well, baby, can't you see you're not enough for me? The time has come to tell the truth. You are nothing but a Kenmore cooler, big fat loser, overbearing, way too caring, alligator of a refrigerator. But if you're still here tomorrow after school, I'd really like to always have to make up a whole pot of love out of your colorful, healthy, vegetated, never underestimated, delicious, never-ending